Today I'm going to show you how I installed the electric wipers. Wiper motors. So this is my original vacuum wiper motor. It goes on these brackets here, like here and here. And this is the replacement one. It's supposed to fit in that same spot. Well, look at the pins, they're completely different. And then when I offer it up in here, there's no possible way it's going to fit, even without my additional brake pedal bit. Look, even the to and fro-y bit is different. Well, I've jury-rigged this battery to my wiper switch and that. Just put them all the connections in. And I've got my adjusted bracket, which you can kind of see in there. It's a bit dirty, but it works. And then the wiper motor will have another bracket on the top here somewhere at some point. This arm is significantly longer than the original one. So my feeling is that I need to just make these pins a bit closer in, match these ones, and then we'll get the right throw. But we've got the right position, and that's where we're going to leave it for now. So that's adjusted, easy enough to do. I think I'm going to trim the ends off a little bit, just because. The park position would be up. I don't want that. They want to park horizontal, not vertical. So I've managed to, so when I took this apart, the park position was at the top. Now it's at the bottom. Hey, why don't I show you? So though, when it runs, it keeps running until it gets to the end. Now on the back here, there's a brass disc and a little bit cut out, a couple of contacts, like there is on a steering wheel for the horn, and that's how it knows when to stop. I'm sort of explaining that really badly. I took the motor apart and changed the park position. How about that? Sum it up. Sweeping very wide. I've moved the park position up a little bit, so maybe I'm just got weird expectations of 50s technology. It's good enough. So I want a bracket for that bit there. Hey, there's a bracket for that bit there. And there it is, all fitted nicely. Wow, look at that. It's looking much better. It's really difficult to show it on camera because of all the reflections and what have you. But it's gone from bed liner to shitty paint job. No, it looks all right. This paint is a satin finish, but it comes out really shiny when you polish it. I'm not sure why I originally asked for satin, but the patina, we all love patina, is starting to come through. Found the screws for the cowl vent, decided to shot blast them. I think that one's seen better days. Let's see what we can do with that. I haven't got a tap or a die for that thread, but we'll see how it goes. I'll put it on one of the ones where it needs to, or just put a different bolt through. I'll probably just put a different nut and bolt on there. Wow, I do digress with stuff. Probably don't want to dent my bonnet anymore. It was perfect before I started.
It's just going on wonky every time.
Yeah, they've got to be going on square. No wonky nuts. It is. So is it? That's the cowl vent. It's cool, isn't it? It's like pop-up lights.
It's like the fluffy lights.
It's like the equivalent of a flippy toppy roof.
No, it's never going to be the equivalent.
So that's locked into place.
Yeah, and then you push it.
Right. So there's one little job left to do, and you're going to have to do it from away from there. It's to put the oil on it. Right, so I'll tell you where you need to put oil. So you need to put oil on here, on there,
Where?
on here, like in the top there, yeah? In the top there.
Yeah.
And then up in that joint there. Yeah, so from the top and then it'll drip down. But this oil is spray oil, so if you're under it, you'll get covered in it. That's it. Perfect.
And then the others.
Vent goes down, vent goes up. It's like peekaboo, isn't it? I'm going to put lights in it. You make the interior of it illuminate.
Like eyes. You know, like you get those sunglasses that you can get that got the eyes superimposed on them.
Yeah.
Like snake eyes.
Oh, you know what? If you put nostrils on it, you could put eyes on the windscreen.
You stand up so you can reach it all the way. One more. And then put it all the way back.
Might put only on the end of it because you might trap your fingers. Mind your fingers.
Yeah. And then. Is it cool?
And you got your little booster seat there underneath your little bum.
Let's go.
Scarlett, is it hot in here? Say yes.
Yes.
Oh look, we need to open it. Now it's cold.
All the seat belts are installed now.
Oh no! Let me my seat now. Well, let me just.
You sound like fluid.
Got my children demonstrating the parts of the truck what actually work. Thank you, Heidi.
Yeah, okay.
Right, off. Now shut. Good. Slow speed, and then fast speed. They are going to work so badly. But hey. Honestly, they're shocking, aren't they?
It's just like a single line.
Yeah, it's better than a scratch though, isn't it? And then off.